Somebody's having a bad day. Okay folks, hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm out riding with the Murgatroyd tonight. We're actually on a fairly short jaunt, about 7 or 8 miles, and we're going out for dinner. So there'll be a bonus food review in this one. So we are going to eat at a pub called the Blacksmith Arms in Broughton Mills. Tried to eat there before. It's not a huge place, and every time I've phoned up to try and book a table, they've not had room for us. But we've gotten lucky tonight, so we're going early doors. Our table is booked at 6 o'clock. It's now just after 5:30. We've got about 20 minutes to get there. Should do it comfortably. So we're heading from home down the A595. Anybody who's watched previous videos will recognise this road and the imaginatively titled The Hill. Once again, I find myself asking the question, how did they come up with that one? So, people paying attention will know that in October I am putting up a video every single day. This one will be going up tomorrow, but I also have 3 or 4 still up my sleeve from what was in fact a fabulous day's riding yesterday. Much more to come from that. I'm out on the bike again tomorrow, and so I need to be thinking about where I'm going to go. Haven't decided yet. If anybody has any ideas of places in the Lake District that they want me to cover, more than happy to hear them. Distance no object, we go anywhere. So, lovely autumn evening. Not too cold, at least not yet. It'll be 8:30 when we're riding home, so probably start feeling it a bit then. And I have to say, the Murgatroyd's riding is looking very confident, very self-assured, dominating the road, and not going as slow as she used to. Two wheels! So I'm going to let her overtake again at the lights. She has said that she doesn't want to be leading when we come off the main road and start heading for the pub, because it is fairly rough country lane when we get there. She's not quite catching up now, so I'll press on. There's a big junction in about a quarter of a mile. She can start going first there. If that Range Rover doesn't back off very soon, I'll be going to have words. I do get very protective. You go first. Okay, go. Interesting to note, and I'm not surprised incidentally, that the knobhead in the Range Rover behind is now keeping a respectable distance because he's following me, and I don't got no L plates. Remarkable. I also did give him evils at the junction, so maybe that's got something to do with it. You got my little Paddington stare. And here we are. Hey Murgatroyd!
Hello.
Hello, how are we doing?
Alright.
Do you enjoy that?
Alright.
It was alright. That's the best you ever get out of the Murgatroyd. So here we are, arrived at the Blacksmith Arms. Murgatroyd's rapidly trying to escape any attention from the camera. So, never eaten here before, heard good things about it.
Last time I came, I got a burger that wasn't cooked properly.
Oh, that doesn't sound great. But we'll
It was
see.
meant to be not cooked properly.
Oh, do you think so?
Yeah.
Very nice. And here it is, the Blacksmith Arms. Brought in furnace. Let's go and eat some food. So, dinner is served. The Murgatroyd has gone for the lamb Henry, and I'm having the confit duck leg. We'll probably swap a mouthful of each. I'll let you know how it is. So that kind of speaks for itself, does it not? Damn good food.